I mean, can you see how natural this still looks? Hi you guys, so I wanted to come in and show you these braids. Did this on myself. It took me about an hour and a half, and when I tell you, these have to be the most natural looking box braids. Like, look at the ends. Let me show y'all the ends. This is the 26-inch, and it's the perfect fullness all the way to the end for me. It's not, it doesn't get, because the issue that I have with Innocence, they're, you know, they're loose hair that you box braid with. I hate that. I hate it. I hate it. If you guys saw the video that I did, the kids Fulani braids back to school edition for my daughter, I put the link up here if you want to check that video out. I used that hair. Hated it. It doesn't have the flowiness that this has because it tapers too soon. So the braid will be very thick, and then all this will just be hair, and I hated that about the hair. So they had the box braids that were 20 inches, and it started to taper like way up here somewhere, so it was like see-through right up in there. I knew I didn't want that because I had installed this hair before on a few people, and they had the shorter length of this hair, and I didn't care for it, so I got the 26-inch. So just keep in mind that if you do get the shorter hair, if you like that look, if you like for it not to be super long to your waist and all of that, and you, hey, by all means, I think that length is perfect for kids and teenagers. It's a plethora of videos that show you how to put these in. I didn't do anything special. I just did straight back braids up until about here, and then I just conjoined each braid into two. I got to the back. And so yeah, but if you can look in here, they're not like one on top of the other or anything like that, which like I said, I'm okay with. I didn't want that look per se. I wanted them to be flat. That's what I love. That's my specialty, making crochet braids look natural. So if you come to me for a service, if you're in the Memphis, Tennessee metropolitan area, and you come to me for a service, this is what you'll receive, without the need to do all of these extra methods that they look good on camera. I'm not knocking anybody, but they look good on camera, but after about, I'll say, after so long, hair starts poking out, all that nonsense, this extra two-step process where you gotta braid your hair down into individual plaits and then it's a lot. We're not doing that. We're not doing it over here. It's not necessary. Do you see? I mean, can you see how natural this still looks? And it's fully crocheted. So while we're at it, let me go and grab the hair so y'all can see the packaging of the hair. 1 second. This is what it looks like. It's by Innocence. I had 2 full packs left of this. I got 8 packs and I only used 6. The way this started off bothered me because I was like, why is it starting off with a twist? But as you can see, you can't really tell. Once you loop it in, you don't really see, you don't see it. It goes away. It's like within the loop, I guess. So it's like this. Once you loop it, it goes away. It disappears. So they look perfectly fine. Now, I will say that on the ends, they just kind of braided them and stopped. So you may want to go through with some nail glue or something and just dab each individual braid if you're afraid of them coming undone. That may be a concern. I'm not sure. I'll have to check back in and let you guys know if I have any issues with that. But aside from that, y'all, I am so happy with these. I just love this look. I love this hair. I'll put pictures at the end of the video so that you guys can see the different styles that I tried. And just make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, share it with a friend. And I will see you guys in my next video. Stay kissed.